Alrighty, so here we are pulling up quarter round, getting ready to tear up the rest of this stuff here, the rest of the kitchen, pantry down there, this hallway. I'll probably stop somewhere right in there. That way they can keep their bedroom for another day. Try to get this stuff prepped out and installed today. I want to point out the caulking. We always trim the caulking off the edges of the walls. That way our new quarter round will go back nice and clean. You can see the little shavings all over the place. I'll take my 5-in-1 and slice it right off the wall there. And I do all of that on top of the old floor so that we don't have a mess on the new floor as we're installing our new trim. And by the way, I was talking to the store owner this morning, and he said that Shaw has completely eliminated this line of floors right here, this particular kind, because they've had a whole bunch of issues out of it. So it's not all 100% installer error according to the carpet store, because they have, like I said, completely did away with this particular line because they've had a bunch of issues out of this product. Alrighty, got this half all tore up now. Fixing to start prepping again. Everything's about ready to go. Have him tear up this little closet while I am sanding here. And somebody asked about the fireplace. These are custom houses built over here. They're really close to the lake on Timsford Lake. So technically they build nice houses over here, but nice nowadays is an opinion, I guess. There's no quality control on anything, anywhere. Just very little with very few people. So anyway, they're custom homes, they custom build. So they think enough to leave those up. Usually what will happen is they'll try to have the floor picked out before the masonry comes in here and builds this, and they'll leave it up enough for the floor, is how it's always been in instances over here. I've done a lot of these lake houses, and that's usually what they do. I stopped right here just inside the bedroom to get enough. Running this hallway over, that way I can complete this hallway without having stuff there to deal with. So that's why I ran that much. We're gonna get this prepped out. Hopefully I won't have to do a huge ordeal like I did yesterday, making this flat. Hopefully it's good enough. It looks like, honestly, it looks like it is a little high right here, but we're gonna get it anyway. First thing is first, I'm gonna edge the seams, then I'll go over the whole floor, and then I'll check it again. All right, I didn't think this side was gonna be too bad. We actually had a pretty good hump right there, and as a matter of fact, that's where it was yesterday. It did carry on. Yesterday, right there was a huge hump, and right here as well was a huge hump. It's actually worse here than it was over here. Now down there, it wasn't as bad there as it was over here, but you can see I've sanded on it pretty good right there, and still got too much to deal with. So gotta continue to take it on down. Let me see this point right here. Let it go up and down until it hits the floor, so you can see it teeter. Go ahead and teeter right there. When it goes up and down right there, I got the high point marked right there on the floor with my red marker. So it's just time to just keep standing there and let it go down. That's all we can do. Just keep standing there and let it eat its way down slowly. Okay, so for whatever reason, just like it was over there, it was glued there, here, all on this side, and it was glued. Okay, thank you, buddy. And it was glued right there as well, right there. So it was glue, 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 and also in here was glued a little bit.
All this gray stuff?
No, that's part of the tile there. There was different places where they had it glued down, which don't make a bit of sense for it being a floating floor. And right around this door jamb, it was also glued there. So. Alrighty, we didn't get a whole lot done today. Again, spent most of the day prepping. What time was it? About 3 o'clock when we started installing. So it was about 3 o'clock when we actually started getting to do something. So we didn't have much time to work. It's 5:30 now, 5:37. So we didn't have much time to get anything done. But tomorrow we are all ready to rock and roll. We're going to get a little bit earlier start in the morning and stay late tomorrow. So my daily grind video might be a little bit late tomorrow. But anyway, we are ready to go. So Lord willing, tomorrow we'll get all kinds of vinyl plank done. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to the daily grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.